Ahead of the winter session that starts tomorrow, opposition parties are ganging up against the government's demonetization drive. While the left is wary of the move, the Trinamool Congress, among other parties, including the Indian National Congress, are on the same side. Here is a look at a detailed report which tells you just who is placed where in the evolving political scenario, especially in the light of the parliament which begins tomorrow.
एक चीज तो साफ है, इनकी नीयत खराब है।
ये फैसला लेने से पहले इनको पूरी तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी
कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस पूरे देश को अपराधी करार दे दिया है।
It's a united opposition against Prime Minister Modi. Aam Aadmi Party, BSP and Congress standing shoulder to shoulder against Prime Minister's monetary shake-up. After hitting the streets of the nation to commiserate with the Aam Aadmi, opposition is now taking the fight one step further. West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee spearheaded the fight, dialing up opposition leaders, even the CPM. She even reached out to Nitish and Lalu, asking them to unite against Modi Sarkar's move, seeking an immediate rollback of the decision.
दीदी भाई मोदी भाई का भी पूरा चाल चला बंगाल में। अब केरल सरकार अगर ये कहती है कि स्टेट यूटिलिटीज के लिए पुराने नोट्स का ये होगा, बंगाल सरकार क्यों नहीं बोलती वो बात? अब शारदा और नारदा के अंदर जो है वो सीबीआई के सामने अगर है ये केसें, तो आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रही मामला?
With left adopting a cautious approach over TMC's suggestion to join hands to corner the government, all eyes remain on the meeting of the opposition parties today, where attempts will be made to reach on a consensus on strategies in winter session of Parliament. Meanwhile, a heated discussion is expected in an all-party meeting called by the government today, as the Congress leads the charge on demonetization decision.
बैंकों के बाहर लाइनों में खड़े लोग ना चोर हैं और ना उनके पास काला धन है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस पूरे देश को अपराधी करार दे दिया है।
वास्तव में सच्चाई ये है कि इनके इस फैसले से देश में गरीब नींद की गोलियां खाकर और अमीर जो लोग हैं चैन की नींद से सो रहे हैं।
एक चीज तो साफ है, इनकी नीयत खराब है। नीयत काला धन पे अटैक करने की नहीं थी, नीयत भ्रष्टाचार खत्म करने की नहीं थी, नीयत यूपी चुनाव के अंदर नीयत थी सारे देश का काला धन लेके अपने पास लाने की।
While the politicians rigged up the plight of the common man, those actually waiting in lines were asked to get some cash don't seem to mind temporary inconvenience at all.
This is a short-term pain for the public. Ultimately, it is going to help the Indian economy a lot. We are very much okay with it. It has to happen earlier in the Congress regime, but ultimately देर है दुरुस्त है।
मोदी जी ने ये जो देश हित में बड़ा स्टेप लिया है, सारी पब्लिक उनके साथ में है और ये आम जनता पूरी खुश है।
So who is really panicking right now? The people who seem to have given a big thumbs up to PM Modi's big black money counter, or the politicians who seem to be getting desperate in their attempt to attack the Prime Minister? Bureau Report, India Today.
Today, the Supreme Court will hear 4 public interest petitions that hope to put an end to the government's demonetization effort. A bench of 2 judges will hear the petitions that want to quash Modi government's decision. The petitioners have contended that the move has created chaos and trouble to the public. The petitioners have asked for either a complete end to the move or a reasonable time limit for citizens to exchange demonetized notes. In fact, on Friday, the Madras High Court dismissed a petition against the move to scrap rupees 500 and 1,000 notes, observing that demonetization was good for the country. The Supreme Court's decision in these petitions will, of course, set a benchmark for cases in the future.